Thank you and welcome, my dear viewers. We are coming today with another vibrant topic. The story of the impeachment of the DP Gachagua is still a vibrant topic in our country. We've been busy finding updates for you. And today I wish to bring to your attention what has happened so far. After the National Assembly voted in favor of the motion to impeach the DP, the learned lawyers or the learned counsel are advising the Deputy President sought assistance from the courts. And in this regard, they wanted to be given an injunction so that the matter cannot proceed to the Senate. Normally, when you seek an anticipatory bail from the court, it simply means that you are requesting the courts to help you not to get arrested on whatever the issue you've committed. Simply saying that you have a problem with the law, but you are seeking the law to help you not to get arrested. Funny, eh? I also find it fascinating. Nevertheless, we will have that as a topic on its own. For those who are new to this channel, press the subscription button and enable the bell so that whenever we have another vibrant topic like this, YouTube will be grateful enough to inform you. The lawyers representing the DP are led by the learned friend Paul Mwite, and together with the team went to court to seek an anticipatory bail so that the matter of impeachment should not proceed to the Senate for the second hearing. And today we've been in court following up on the same, so that we can see and hear how the issue proceeds. We are trying to find out how this matter progresses. You see, if you go to court, or if you had a problem with maybe say you've robbed a bank, or you've hurt someone, or simply say you've committed felony. Our constitution gives you a leeway in that you can go and seek rescue from the court so that you cannot get arrested. Or there is a case against you and you feel like you are not, you are using the law to cushion you, simply put that way. You saw when the issue for impeachment went to the National Assembly, we can simply put it, the train had left the station. And in that regard, it is just proper that we let it, we give it its enough and humble time to sail on. So today being a Tuesday, it was a very tense day in the DP Gachagua's camp, because it is when they wanted to see if at all tomorrow the Senate will commence the preliminary sitting to hear the impeachment case. Meaning, if the court was to pronounce itself saying that the issue in front of the judge was substantiated, that meant that the Speaker of the Senate, Amason Kingi, was meant to put on hold the issue which had been brought in front of him, the hearing of the impeachment or the removal from office of the DP by the means of the impeachment. I would like you to listen to what the verdict was from the Milimani Court before we can proceed, before we continue with the discussion.
Constitution is not only the hope, but also the promise of our Constitution that we must abide by the constitutional dictates, for any act or omission in contravention of the Constitution is invalid. In that respect, I conclude this matter, and this is what I say. Having considered the application and
this is what the judge has said, that having considered all the pleas and the presentations and the responses from both parties, this is how he would like to rule on that matter.
Argument by parties, the Constitution and President, the prayer for grant of conservatory order is declined. However, in view of the issues raised in this petition, which also appear to relate to those in petition E522 of 2024, which has been certified for purpose of appointing a bench of an even number of judges to hear, I certify this petition as raising substantial questions of law and of public interest in terms of Article 165 sub-Article 4 of the Constitution. This file is to be placed before the Honorable Chief Justice to consider appointing an uneven number of judges to hear this petition. Given the close proximity of the issues in this petition and those in petition E522, the Honorable Chief Justice may consider whether this petition may be heard by the same bench appointed to hear petition E522. I make no orders.
You've heard that the plea or the petition to put on hold the issue in the Senate or the hearing of the case for the impeachment of DP Gachagua in Senate, to put on hold, this issue has been, this request or this petition has been declined. What does that mean? It means the train onto which the DP was put on the way to Madeira is sailing on. And tomorrow, which is 16th of October 2024, the Senate will start the hearing of this motion or the debating on this motion regarding the impeachment of DP Gachagua. Earlier on, the Speaker to the Senate, Amason Kingi, had pronounced himself on this matter, and he said that as far as the Senate sittings are concerned, having mandated or having placed on the same level as a high court could not be put on hold by statement from a mere court or any other court, if not the Supreme Court. There were speculations that with Amason Kingi pronouncing himself that there is no court which can put on hold an issue which has been presented to the Senate. There were speculations that there could be trouble as far as that issue is concerned, in that the court might have ruled in favor of DP by putting on hold that motion. I don't know what you think. For those new who are on this channel, click the subscription button and enable the notification bell so that whenever a vibrant topic like this is available, YouTube will inform you. And for the ones who have been with us all along, thank you for helping us reach where we are. May God bless you. That was Mr. Bismarck. Let's meet in the next episode.